The information revolution, often called the Fourth Industrial Revolution, is rapidly transforming the traditional manufacturing, construction, agricultural, healthcare, and other industry sectors by virtually eliminating the transaction costs of communicating with customers and collaborating with supply chain partners. First, small capital-light product developers and system integrators can now disrupt large established companies in all of these industry sectors in two ways. First, they can use crowdsourcing and design thinking in their product design stage. And second, they can use modular product architectures along with digital design and management tools to radically outsource components and final assembly so that their capital requirements are very light. The StreetScooter and e.GO companies launched out of the Innovation Factory on RWTH Aachen campus are excellent examples of this trend. US examples of IT-enabled disruptors include Amazon in retail, Uber in taxis, Airbnb in hotels, and Motive Ventures in the electric commercial bus and truck sector. This Aachen Industry 4.0 executive program is thus both important and timely. To compete successfully in the next few decades, large firms will learn how to operate in a more agile and capital-light way, and startups will need to master these Industry 4.0 and entrepreneurship capabilities to compete both with existing players and new startups. My colleagues and I at Stanford University have been leaders in studying and teaching entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship, which is entrepreneurship inside big companies, and agile strategic ways of executing innovations. I'm honored to collaborate with Aachen University to bring these capabilities together with Aachen's world-leading capabilities in modern industrialized manufacturing to offer this exciting new program. I'm a member of the Scientific Advisory Board for the Innovation Factory and will be an instructor and mentor to participants in this Industry 4.0 program. We look forward to seeing you there.